Are you a great leader, or how do you know that you are a great leader? I want to speak on some of the most important leadership principles, and I want to start with this one. Most people seem to think that their leadership can be seen in what happens when they are there to run the show or to manage their people. Big difference between management and leadership, and we'll get into that as well. But I want to argue that your leadership can actually be seen in what happens in your absence. What happens when you're not there? Because leadership is not about your position, your authority, your power, what you can achieve. Leadership is all about what you can help other people to achieve, what the team can achieve. The best example that I know of this is Jesus Christ himself. In my opinion and my belief, he's the best leader to ever walk the face of the earth. If you think about it in these terms, he started his organization when he was about 30 years old. Not about 30 years old. And he operated or worked himself in that organization for 3 years. He employed 12 people. He raised them up as leaders. He discipled them. And then he left. And that movement has only grown ever since, to the place where about 2.2 billion people, that's about, I think, 31% of the world's population. Okay, so we still have work to do. But 31% of the world's population call themselves Christians. And so that movement has only grown in his absence. Now, yes, technically we know that he has been present through his Holy Spirit in us. But once again, that is an example of leadership in his absence. So our job as leaders is obviously, and I always use the parent-child, analogy as an example. I don't think any parent is looking to raise obedient children so that your child will come to you when they are 30 years old and still ask you permission for certain things or to come and pick them up at the mall. We're looking to raise independent people that can contribute to society. And so we should have the same mindset in our businesses, in our organizations, of raising up new leaders, discipling new leaders. In other words, it's not about my authority, it's not about my power, it's not about me, it's about other people. I'm looking as a leader to add value to people's lives, who will add value to people's lives, who will add value to people's lives. I'm looking to empower people that will empower other people that will empower other people. So I hope that's some food for thought. Ask yourself, are you busy replacing yourself? That is a different way of saying the same principle and communicating the same principle. Leadership is about replacing yourself. It's not about showing your worth by your performance, because then the focus is once again you. The focus should be on the other people. That's how you know you are a leader, because you actually do have followers. I hope that's some good food for thought. Have a great day.